Hello and welcome to our new YouTube channel. My name is Konstantinos and today we're gonna restore a 1977 Koga Miyata touring bike. As you can see, the bike is in pretty good order, but in order to make it at perfect condition, we're gonna restore some things. We're gonna strip the bike and send it for a new paint job. Most of the parts are really nice order, but some of them needs replacing, so we're gonna search to find the correct and authentic part, so the bike at the finish will look at top condition.
de verre. Je ne sais vibrer qu'en paratonnerre. Je suis condamnée à l'éclair, la foudre éphémère. Car si l'on
Bye bye.
aime, l'on doit
Bye bye. Our bike is ready with a new paint job. Clean up the rusted parts, change some of them. The gang and the oil left from the usage. The bike is really nice. So if you like our video, if you like our restoration, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and I hope we see you in some of our next video. So from me, a short is bye.
L'on doit me consumer, mais demain, oui demain, j'en fais le serment. J'ouvrirai les yeux, mes deux yeux tout en grand sur toi, en somme, mon bel amant. Toi qui as si m'attends tout en m'aimant.